Integrating new tools shouldn't cost teams hours of setup and debugging. Yet with traditional visual testing tools, that's often the case. Complex SDKs, endless documentation, and confusing configuration steps. What should take minutes often turns into days, and many give up before seeing any value. Modern teams need a smarter, AI-native experience, not a manual setup that slows them down. For developers and QA engineers, setup feels like an endless loop of trial and error. Where do I start? Where should I place snapshots? Did I cover all the critical use cases? Inconsistent test coverage adds to the frustration. Some flows are overcaptured, others missed entirely. This leads to uncertainty, abandoned integrations, and low confidence in test results. The root cause isn't just complexity or effort, it's that setup workflows haven't evolved. Teams are still using manual, rule-based setup, while the rest of the workflow is evolving with AI. It's time for integration to be intelligent, adaptive, automated, and context-aware. Meet Percy's Visual Test Integration Agent. It eliminates the complexity of setting up and running visual tests. And it's more than a one-time installer. It's an intelligent companion designed to provide recurring help as your code base evolves. The agent automates setup and integration inside your IDE, using Copilot-like intelligence to get you running in minutes. Let's see how easy it is to get started with the Visual Test Integration Agent. Hop onto your Percy homepage and follow the easy steps to set up a new project. Select the AI-powered integration option. Go through a quick installation of BrowserStack MCP server and copy the sample prompt for the coding assistant to start working for you. Then we hop onto IDE to complete the setup. We have set up a sample project with a few test modules. Next, we simply go to the Copilot window, and with a simple prompt, the agent gets to work, analyzing your project structure, scanning through files, and detecting the testing framework in use. The agent then automatically verifies and installs all the required dependencies, sets up project tokens and environment variables, getting Percy ready to run in just minutes. Next, the agent dives into your test modules, identifying where snapshots are needed and inserting them automatically, ensuring complete coverage across your UI. And the best part? You do all of this right inside your IDE. No context switching, no jumping between tools, and no debugging headache. With the Visual Test Integration Agent, you go from zero to full visual test coverage in minutes, with smarter setup, faster onboarding, and total confidence in your visual tests. The Visual Test Integration Agent delivers an AI-native experience that gets you to your first build 6 times faster. And this is just the beginning. The Visual Test Integration Agent will soon go beyond setup and integration, evolving into a true AI copilot for visual testing. By offering root cause analysis to identify source of visual changes, seamless migration from open source or legacy visual testing tools to Percy, preserving your full test history, and handling dynamic elements to stabilize your test results. Ditch the documentation and stop struggling with manual configurations. Start visual testing with BrowserStack Percy in minutes.